Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is my continuing testing of chatopenai. I'm playing with the Python coding tool. I've asked it to create a tkinter UI using these values, and then I want to be able to sort by alpha and by numeric value. So here's the code, and I have an option button to sort by alpha and another option to show sort by the value. So L is a value of 1, V is a value of 4. Now let's take a look at what Python or OpenAI generated. You can see that it's having problems generating as code blocks. So these are comment blocks, and if you don't know, yeah, without a little bit of Python background, this would be very confusing because you can see, for example, this should be commented, and this is a function, so this should be indented in order for it to work in Python. I already went ahead and made all those fixes here. I included the prompt here, and here is all. Now I added these comments, and I indented the code. Blah blah blah. So let's take a look at what happens when we run it. Okay, so you can see my tkinter UI. I should probably bump up the size somewhere. I'm not even sure how to do that. But here we have sort alphabetically and sort by value. Now it doesn't show us what it is because I didn't say to show what are these values. But let's go ahead and hit sort alphabetically, and you can see that it looks like it's centered. Yeah, it's centered. So the values, in order to see the whole thing, we have to make it big right there. A1, sort alpha, and there it is. A1, B3, C3, blah, blah, blah. Now let's sort by value. Q10, Z10, J8, X8, etc., etc. So this is a demonstration of chat.openai.com. The results are mixed. If you are an expert coder, it could be very, very useful. If you are a medium skilled programmer, this could be very, very useful. A beginner programmer would really need to understand what the syntax is for Python. But if you already know the syntax, then this could be a quick way for you to level up your skills if you understand how to package your problems into succinct bytes so that you can get what you want. Luckily, OpenAI now offers these multiple save options over here, so you can build upon what you've already learned, build upon how you can leverage your skill sets. I'm hoping that OpenAI will allow for much larger token areas, because I believe the max token at this time is about 1,500 words. There is no they're at this point they're not limiting that much, but if you have larger code blocks, I've noticed that it will start writing the code and then cut off at a certain point and not complete the full code block because I maxed out the total number of tokens. That being said, there is great promise for everyone to be a programmer of even basic level with chat.openai.com. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.